Welcome back to the Crypto World channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now Ethereum is continuing with this breakout to the upside. In just a moment, I'm going to be revealing some new Ethereum price targets to pay attention to, and I will be comparing this Ethereum bull market to the previous Ethereum bull market to see exactly what is about to happen next. I will also be talking about the rise in Ethereum dominance, which is really important for Ethereum holders to pay attention to. And towards the end of this video, I will be including one of my top altcoins, which is Polygon. So definitely make sure you're watching this video all the way to the end so that you're not missing out on any of this important information. And just before we jump into it, make sure to leave a like on the video down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. But with all of that out of the way, let's get straight into what this video is about. So right here, we're on the Ethereum to US dollar chart on the 4-hour time frame, just to give you another quick update on the Ethereum breakouts that we've just experienced over the past couple of days. I filmed yesterday's Ethereum update video right around here, basically saying that sometime soon in the immediate short term, we do to run into a little bit of resistance between those prices that I talked about yesterday and the all-time high. And that was simply based on the RSI on the 4-hour chart entering into overbought territories, simply showing us that we are due for a little bit of a short-term cool-off here, which is kind of what we're seeing right now with this small rejection that we've seen in the immediate short term. But keep in mind, this is only in the immediate short term. Obviously, the trend right now for Ethereum is looking very bullish. And you would already know this if you watched yesterday's Ethereum update video. But for the new viewers on the channel, I actually said it's even more bullish if we do end up seeing a little bit of a rejection here, a little bit of a short-term cool-off, because as I said, that would bring the RSI back down towards neutral areas, which is what we're starting to see right now, and that will give us more room to the upside later on. So then when we eventually break out into a new all-time high, at least we can carry on with that breakout further to the upside if we're at a lower starting point in the RSI. Whereas if Ethereum just continued in a straight line to the upside without any red candles here, then Ethereum would get overheated very quickly, and the breakout into a new all-time high would fizzle out pretty fast. And obviously we don't want that. We want sustainable growth in the Ethereum price, which is exactly why we need to see short-term cool-offs like this along the uptrend, which can also give us great buying opportunities. And staying on the 4-hour charts for Ethereum, but just taking a look at this pattern right here. First of all, this horizontal line of previous support was acting as resistance for a short amount of time during this correction, but currently Ethereum has obviously broken back above this line of previous resistance. And if you're zooming in a little bit closer, you can see that we retested that line with that wick to the downside just the other day. So we've now flipped that into support, confirming this breakout to the upside, with also seeing that spike in volume as we were breaking out to the upside. And this pattern just here is a W pattern. It's not a perfect W pattern, but it is one nonetheless. And so now that we've broken out to the upside, we can take a look straight away at the price target for this pattern, and that is coming in at around 5,150, which from the current price of Ethereum at the time from this video to that price target is around an 8% gain. So obviously that's a decent opportunity here moving forward for Ethereum in the shorter term, and that price target remains a valid price target on the charts for as long as Ethereum remains above this line just here, coming in at roughly around $4,500 US. But keep in mind, between now and that price target, we do have a bit of resistance coming in at around the all-time high level, which is coming in just below 4.9k. So just keep that in mind. But once we finally start breaking into a new all-time high, then that would be the price target to take a look at next. Now zooming all the way out to the daily time frame for Ethereum, and what we can see here is, first of all, the candlesticks is the current Ethereum price action, what we're seeing right now. But these green bars just here, these green candlesticks, if you want to call them that, that's the price action taken from the 2017 bull cycle, the last bull market. And what we can see here is for quite a while, the current Ethereum bull market that we're in right now was following along with the previous bull market extremely closely up until around the beginning of October is when we finally started deviating from the previous bull market. But so far, that pump during October is still the only deviation between this bull market and the last bull market, at least as of right now, because what we can see here in the last bull market back in 2017, during towards the end of October, we actually had a small pump to the upside, leading into a dump back to the downside in early November, exactly like what we've seen just recently. And then as Ethereum entered into December, that was when things really started to heat up again for Ethereum, and we started flipping more and more bullish, just like what we're starting to see right now. So you could say Ethereum is right around here, getting ready to scoop up like this, or you could say this price action right here is similar to this price action, because I'm sure you can clearly see the similarities between this price action and this price action. And so if that's the case, we could be due for some very bullish price action coming into play very soon for Ethereum. And if we simply continue to play out price action similar to the last bull market, then we could possibly see prices above $10,000 per Ethereum early next year. And just bringing out the MACD on the daily time frame, in case you don't already know, we have officially just confirmed a bullish cross in the daily MACD for Ethereum, which is of course a bullish signal showing us that we have now confirmed confirmed the bottom for this correction, which we were already talking about anyway. But this is just acting as extra confirmation on the chart, showing us that we are very much due for some more bullish price action over the next few weeks and months. And speaking about bullish price action, taking a quick look at Ethereum valued against Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Just over the past 1 to 2 days, Ethereum has seen a brand new breakout above major resistance on this chart, which is obviously a bullish sign for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, meaning that right now Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Now, it's important to mention that at least as of right now, we haven't seen a whole lot of confirmation for this breakout to the upside. Really, the only confirmation that we've had so far is the fact that we've seen a daily candle close above resistance. But other than that, we haven't really seen any major spike or surge in the volume, and we haven't experienced any sort of retest of this previous resistance to flip it into new support. So moving forward, I would like to see the volume start to pick up a little bit more here. And if we do not see that, then preferably seeing a retest of this level would once again just act as extra confirmation of the breakout to the upside. And this level that we now need to hold above is coming in at around 0.0767 Bitcoin per Ethereum. And if Ethereum can simply hold above that level and confirm this breakout to the upside, then the technical price target for this pattern is coming in at around 0.1 Bitcoin per Ethereum. And so just as an example, let's just say Bitcoin is sitting at $60,000 per Bitcoin. If this Ethereum chart goes to 0.1 Bitcoin per Ethereum, then at a $60,000 Bitcoin, that would mean Ethereum would be sitting at $6,000 per Ethereum. But no matter what the Bitcoin price is, if Ethereum does end up playing out that move to the upside, that would simply mean Ethereum will be outperforming Bitcoin moving forward as we are moving to the upside. And something very interesting about this breakout so far is this high that we've just put in for Ethereum valued against Bitcoin has just broken above this high that we set back in May, making this current high the highest high that we've seen since May 2018. And the Ethereum to Bitcoin all-time high is coming in at around 0.15 Bitcoin per Ethereum. And this recent breakout to the upside on this chart is also because of the Ethereum dominance breaking above major resistance. I covered this exact chart just a few days ago on the channel, telling you about this major point of resistance and talking about the possibility of the Ethereum dominance breaking above this resistance. And so now that we're finally seeing that playing out, of course, an increase in the Ethereum dominance is very bullish for Ethereum. For the beginners out there, this basically just means that Ethereum is stealing market share away from the rest of the crypto market, which basically just means Ethereum is right now outperforming a lot of other altcoins. And also, as we just discussed, Ethereum is right now outperforming Bitcoin. And Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin comes at no surprise. This is actually what we see basically every single bullish year in crypto. I tweeted this out over on my Twitter, so if you don't follow me over there, definitely make sure you're doing that. And the link to my official Twitter account is in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. But I thought I should share this information in this video because what we have here is all of the Bitcoin gains and all of the Ethereum gains over this bull market and the last bull market. So of course, the last crypto bull market was really between 2016 and 2017. And in both of those years, Ethereum had a bigger gain than Bitcoin by far. And then of course, we ran into the 2018 bear market and we certainly didn't see a bull market in 2019 either. So in those more bearish times, Bitcoin does hold up a little bit better than Ethereum. And that's the price Ethereum pays for these gains that we see during the bull market. But now going into the next bull market, which is of course the current bull market we're in right now, starting in 2020, Ethereum straight away started this bull cycle outperforming Bitcoin last year. And this year, Ethereum has clearly had a far bigger gain than Bitcoin, proving yet again that Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin during bull markets. And technically speaking, that does make Ethereum a better hold over Bitcoin during bull markets. That is not financial advice. That is not my opinion. That is simply just looking at the data. Now taking a quick look at one of your most suggested altcoins in the comment section down below, and also one of my top altcoin holdings, which is of course Polygon, also known as Matic. I let you know about the current gains happening in Polygon all the way back here when I released my top 7 altcoins video. If you haven't seen that video, it's actually the most viewed video on the Cryptoworld channel. So feel free to give that one a watch after you finish watching this video. And if you want me to make more dedicated altcoin content, like that top 7 altcoins video, for example, then please let me know in the comment section down below. And if a bunch of you suggest the same thing, I'll be sure to get that on the channel as soon as possible. But anyway, getting back on track, taking a look at the Polygon chart on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is, of course, we are currently experiencing a major breakout above huge resistance. Due to Polygon's fundamentals, the price action that we see in Polygon is somewhat correlated to Ethereum's price action. And what we're seeing right now is an example of that playing out because, of course, we saw the breakout to the upside for Ethereum yesterday, and only right now Polygon is finally breaking out to the upside. And this pattern just here is an inverse head and shoulders pattern that has now confirmed. We've already seen the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder play out. And so now that we've seen the breakout to the upside, this is giving us a technical price target towards around $2.50, which from the point of the breakout to that price target was a potential 28% gain. But from the current price of Polygon, at least at the time time film this video to that price target, that is around a 20% gain moving forward. So obviously that's still a pretty good opportunity. But keep in mind, we could run into a bit of short-term resistance at these highs just here, coming in at around $2.20. And zooming out to the daily time frame for Polygon, and what we can see here is that Polygon has maintained this huge upwards trending line of support, which is extremely bullish. Even in the correction that we've just experienced, we still held above this level, which of course provided us with an amazing buying opportunity. And by the way, if the price of Polygon continues on to hit the price target for this inverse head and shoulders pattern, then that would put us very close to the all-time high, coming in at around $2.70. And let's just say the last time Polygon broke into a new all-time high, we absolutely exploded. Just measuring out that previous gain for Polygon back here, we had over a 700% gain in just one single month. So seriously, there are some huge opportunities in Polygon moving forward. And while there's a lot of people using Ethereum, and while Ethereum gas fees are incredibly high, which right now they are ridiculous, that gives Polygon a lot of value fundamentally speaking. But of course, always make sure you're doing your own research in any altcoins that I cover on this channel, because you should not be blindly investing into something that you don't understand just because I've covered it here on the channel. So just make sure you understand what you're buying into before you actually buy into it. But as I said earlier, right now I am currently holding Polygon. It is one of my top positions. And if you enjoyed this video or got something valuable out of it, please make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, make sure you're checking out one of these uploads if you haven't already, because these videos can potentially help you make a lot more money in the crypto markets. And as always, I really do appreciate all of your support in the channel at the moment. I can't thank you guys enough. But anyway, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.